to live. Sentiently is a way to be. Intrinsic. Now you are guided to imagine what it is that the state to be. Intrinsic. Language has power all the time. You listen to others. You enjoy listening to some different ideas spoken by others. It goes without saying there, you enjoy speaking what you have in you, in front of others too. Talking of human communication, when you listen to some words which reverberate, especially in your heart here, deeply, you have very positive experience. Why it is so? Now you are listening to some words, some pieces of message spoken by others. Then, not all the time. Upon occasion, you recognize some important matters in your conversation together with your friends or with some people. You listen to some important matters. Then, when some words reverberate in the inner part of your heart, it is a blessing, deeply speaking. You should have very beautiful time yourself to be guided to improve and develop yourself. You listen to some words. You are impressed by those words spoken by others. You have impression deeply impressed in you. Through listening to those words impressed deeply, you start something positive. It shall be the entrance for you to enter some sort of wonderful time. For your happy sake, you can be happier through experiencing so. In your substantial process to listen to those words, first, you wake up mentally. That is so. I think it is right. As she says, I feel the same. That's the thing I didn't know. That's the thing I need to be guided to be by. You have a wonderful breakthrough in experiencing so. Then you listen to a ring deriving from somewhere mysterious you haven't noticed in your past. Not only here, in your ears, but also in the inner part of your heart. You have your opportunity to experience beautiful imagination. You enjoy experiencing beautiful voyage yourself inwardly. You feel something and you feel what you need. How you speak in front of others affects others. Conversely, how you listen to some words spoken by others affects your existence. That's the thing I'd like you to think of. Language is a strong tool for you to be affected, or language itself affects others. Hence, language is a basis of human communication. You need to reciprocate what you get in your communication with others. That's the thing. Lose your tongue. If you are successful in losing your tongue, then you can rule others. I'd like you to do your best to lose your tongue all the time, ad infinitum. The lecture shall be finished now.